Hello everyone. Today we will learn very interesting Vedic math method for division. Most commonly this is known as division by flag digit method. Due to this method you can solve division of any numbers. The main characteristic of this method is if you learn table up to just 9, that means you don't need table of large numbers, just you learn tables up to 9, then you will be able to solve division of any large numbers. At the end of this video, I hope that you will be enjoying this method. So without wasting any time, we will start to learn this method. See one example, that is 3,46,726 divide by 53. The dividend 3,46,726 we write in such way: 3, take 4 at here, there between 3 and 4 some distance, then 6, 7, 2 and 6. We write the dividend in such manner. After that we draw a vertical line, then horizontal line. Now our divisor is 53. According to this method, we not need to learn table up to 53. In traditional division method, it is necessary to learn the table of 53. In this Vedic math method, there is not need to learn table of 53. So we write 53 in such manner: 5 and 3. Here 5 is a base and 3 is a flag digit. 3 is called as flag digit. In flag digit there is 3, that means single digit. So we write or we draw a line in dividend after one digit, means before 6. It stands for our decimal. Then 5 is divided by 3. 3 is less than 5, so our quotient is 0. Then 5 0 0. So write 3 at here, carry. So 3 4 34. Then multiply 0 with 3. So the product of 0 and 3 is 0. 34 minus 0 is 34. Now this 34 divided by 5. 5 6 are 30 and 5 7 are 35. 35 is more than 34. So 5 6 are 30. 34 minus 30, it becomes 4. This 4 we write at here, that means 4 6 46. Then again multiply 6 with 3. 6 3 is 18. Write 18 below 46. So 46 minus 18 is 28. After that this 28 divided by 5. 5 5 is 25. So we write 5 at here. 28 minus 25, that becomes 3. This 3 we write at here. So it becomes 37. 37 37. Then multiply 5 with 3. So the product of 5 and 3 is 15. Just write below 37. So 37 minus 15 is 22. Now we have to divide this 22 by 5. So 5 4s are 20. Write 4 at here. 5 4s are 20. 22 minus 20 is 2. Write this 2 at carry here, means 2 and 2, 22. So again product of 4 and 3, 12, which write below 22. 22 minus 12, that is 10. So this 10 divided by 5, 5 to the 10, 10 minus 10, 0, 0 we write at here, 0, 6, 6. Then product of 2 and 3, 2 3 is a 6, so 6 here, 6 minus 6 is 0, divide 0 by 5, 0. So our answer is 3,46,726 divided by 53 is equals to 6,542. See one more example, that is example second. 4,59,000 4,59,412 divided by 86. Again the dividend we write in this way: 4, 5, 9, 4, 1, 2. We write the dividend in this way. Then draw vertical line, after that one horizontal line. The divisor 86, write such way, 86. Again in flag digit there is single digit 6. So in dividend, one after one digit we draw vertical line which stands for decimal. Again 8 divided by 4, 4 is less than 8, so we take 4 and 5, that becomes 45. 45 divided by 8, 8 5 is 40, 8 5 is 40, 5 write at here. Then 5 multiply with 6, 5 6 is 30. So 59 minus 30 is equals to 29. This 29 divided by 8, 8 3 is 24. 29 minus 24, 5, we write 5 at here. Then multiply 3 with 6, 3 6 is 18. So 54 minus 18, that is 36. Again 36 is divided by 8, 8 4 is 32. 36 minus 32, 4. So carry 4 right at here, 4 1 41. Again 4 multiply with 6, 4 6 is 24, or right below 41. 41 minus 24, that is 17. This 17 divided by 8, so 8 2 is 16. 17 minus 16, 1, so carry 1 at here, so 1 to 12. Again multiply 2 with 6, 2 6 is 12. So 12 minus 12 is 0. 8 divided by 0 is 0. So our answer is 4,59,412 divided by 86 is equals to 5,342. See one more example, that is 5,28,082. 5,28,082 divided by 73. Again the dividend we write in such way: 5 2 8 0 8 2. Draw vertical line, then horizontal line. 73 divisor write in such way 7 3. Here 3 is flag digit, only single digit at here. Again we draw after one digit a vertical line which is our decimal point. Now 5 is less than 7, so 5 and 2 it becomes 52. 7 divides by 52, 7 sevens are 49. 52 minus 49, 3. 3 right at here, so 3 and 8 it becomes 38. 7 multiply with 3, 7 3s are 21. 38 minus 21, that is 17. Again 17 is divided by 7, so 7 2s are 14 and 7 3s are 21. 21 is greater than 17, so 7 2s are 14. 17 minus 14 means 3. 3 we write here, so 3 0 30. Again multiply 2 with 3, 2 3s are 6, that means 30 minus 6 is 24. 24 divided by 7, 7 3s are 21. 24 minus 21, 3, we write carry 3 at here, it becomes 38. Again 3 multiply with 3, that is 9. So 38 minus 9 is 29. This 29 divided by 7, 7 4s are 28. 29 minus 28, 1. So 1 to 12. Now 4 multiply with 3, 4 3s are 12. Write 12 here. So 12 minus 12 is 0. 7 divided by 0 is 0. So our answer is 5,28,082 divided by 73 is equals to 7,234. Friends, I hope you enjoying this method. According to this method, we can solve or we divide any large numbers without learning tables. Here we just need a tables up to 9. If anybody who learns table up to 9, who can divide any numbers. So thank you. Thanks for watching my channel.